In this lesson, we'll look at the chart object and the various properties and events that we can edit based off the chart object. With chart settings, it is the same thing as print settings, like in the previous lesson. The chart settings exist underneath the shape object, which exists underneath the sheet settings. In this example, there are only two areas of note. The first is where we are starting the sheet, defining where we want to look and create the object in. The second is the actual creation of the chart. We're referring to the sheet and then the shapes object. And then we add the chart with the .addChart method. Also notice that we are adjusting all of the properties of the chart with a with block again. In this way, we can assign the data source of the chart, as well as the title, font, and so on. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.